Welcome to our tutorial on ArcGIS Pro Symbologies. Let's log into our ArcGIS. Now it is open to ArcGIS. Let's add our data that we want to use. I want to use this complex data that comprises of road, building, railway, natural shop, point, road and water resources. So we have added our point, we have added our road, the build up area, places, road, land use, buildings. We have added everything. So I will drive you on how to change color on your works. Choose the color of your choice. This ArcGIS Pro. You can see these are our ArcGIS colors. You can choose any color of your choice. Okay, let's choose of this for example. Now I have entered, and this of color is under single colors. Single colors. So I have changed colors under the buildings. Let's change color under the land use. Let's change color on buildings. So that is the only buildings. That is the road. Please subscribe, like and share. Okay. Turn on land use. Let's make a different colors. As you can change any color of your choice so as to beautify your map. The waterway, let's make it green. You can see all your waterways. The points, make it white. Let's change it. You can choose any color of your choice. Then now let's work on properties, symbology. So this is what I was telling you. It is under the primary symbology. We are having single, but you can choose it if you want your listing to have different colors. On type, I'll change to unique value. So you can see they are having different colors. Unique value. So I'll change it to type. You can put it as name. Let's change the color. You can see they are having different colors. Based on the color scheme. You can choose any color of your choice. This color scheme. You can see they are having different colors. Not like before, a single color for all the land use area. So you have changed on the railway. You do the same to all of them. Railway is having different colors also. So let's go to, that was road. Now let's go to waterway, symbology. Under Field 1, you need to change it to use either width or type or names. You can see the waterway now. You can see the waterways. So you can do the same. Please subscribe, like and share, please. And do same to the points uniquely. And all data. You can see we have almost. Let's change it to a type of population based on the population. We are having 57 points. You can see the population start by red, deep red, light red. You can see. So we have changed the color of our working area. You can see the road are having different colors. You can also choose to change the color of a particular unit. So this way to subscribe to my channel. Thank you for watching.